one unexpected meeting can change everything. This is not just a love story. It's a story about memories, feelings, and second chances. Emma?
Daniel, hi.
I didn't expect to see you here.
Neither did I.
Mind if I sit?
Of course not.
It's been a long time.
Yeah, almost 6 months.
You look different.
Different good or different bad?
Definitely good.
You still say things that make me nervous.
And you still smile when you're nervous.
Maybe.
So, how have you been?
Busy. Work has been exhausting lately.
Still working at the design company?
Yeah, long hours. Endless meetings. Too much coffee.
Some things never change.
What about you?
I changed my jobs.
Really?
Yeah, I work for a marketing company now.
That sounds exciting.
It is, but honestly,
What?
I still miss the days we used to talk after work.
I miss those days too.
Do you remember our favorite cafe downtown?
The little one with terrible music and amazing cake.
That's the one.
You used to order the same thing every single time.
And you used to steal my coffee.
It tasted better than mine.
No, I think you just liked bothering me.
Maybe.
Can I ask you something?
Okay.
Why did we stop talking?
Life got complicated.
That's not the real reason.
I was scared.
Scared of what?
Scared that I was starting to love you.
Emma.
I know it sounds crazy.
No, it doesn't.
I thought, if I disappeared, maybe the feelings would disappear too.
Did they?
No.
You know something funny?
What?
I tried to forget you too.
And?
It didn't work. I kept comparing everyone to you.
Daniel,
No one made me laugh like you.
you still remember my laugh.
I remember everything. There's something I wanted to say for a long time.
What is it?
I think I'm falling for you again.
Again?
Maybe I never stopped.
I was hoping you'd say that.
So, what happens now?
I don't know.
That's scary.
A little.
But maybe some scary things are worth trying.
You really believe that?
I do. Especially when it comes to you.
You still talk like you're in a romantic movie.
And you still blush when I compliment you.
Stop.
See? There's the smile I missed. Emma,
Yeah?
can we try again?
I thought you'd never ask.
I'm glad I walked into this cafe today.
Me too.
Maybe this was fate.
Or maybe it was timing. Love becomes more beautiful when communication is honest.
And practicing English becomes easier when conversations feel real.
If you enjoyed this romantic English conversation,
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more emotional English stories.
we'll see you in the next story.